Hello everybody. Today I'd like to introduce our analysis of a L'Oreal printed ad on the magazines. At the very beginning, I'd like to have a very brief summary of our analysis. First question is that, did L'Oreal print ad perform very well on the magazines? The answer is no. The printed ad cannot attract customers' attention on the magazines, and the brand recurrency is only about 18% for the L'Oreal advertisement. The second question is that L'Oreal can be very competitive with other companies. The answer is still no. The print ad performance is far below the average level. The average brand recurrency is about 51%, and L'Oreal is only 18%. And the last question is how to improve the L'Oreal advertisement to attract attention. We have three recommendations. The first one is to increase the print ad brand size. The second one is to increase the print ad the picture size. And the last one is to put the ad on the left part of the last page of the magazine. And at first, I'd like to have a very brief explanation of our technology, the eye tracking. The eye tracking is mainly about the brand recall accuracy, and the brand accuracy is about how people to remember a certain advertisement after they saw the advertisement on the magazine. And this is decided by 4 points: the brand fixation, the picture fixation, the page number, and the page position. The brand fixation means that discrete periods of relative immobility of the eye on the brand. That means how long your eye stop at the brand. The brand fixation is the same thing. That means how long your eye stop at the picture. And the page number is where the ad located on the magazine, and the page position means that the major part of the advertisement is on the left or right part of the page. And we will have a further explanation of the brand fixation and the picture fixation. The brand fixation is decided by brand size, picture size, page number, page position, and the picture fixation. And the picture fixation is also decided by the brand size, picture size, page number, page position, and brand fixation. And here are the mathematics models we used to analyze the brand fixation and the picture fixation. After the explanation of the basic series, now we can see how L'Oreal is performing. We can see that L'Oreal is not performing very well. The dark blue parts are for L'Oreal, and the dark green parts are for all the brands at the level. We can see the brand recall accuracy is only 80% compared with 51%. Maybe because the brand fixation and the picture fixation is far below the average level. We can see the brand fixation and the picture fixation is only about half of the average level, and may cause to the low of the brand recall accuracy. And maybe because the brand size and picture size is too small for L'Oreal, so people cannot attract by the advertisement. And it's put in the front part of the magazine, so people may forget it after they read the magazine, because all other brands are put in the back part of the magazine. So now we can see how to increase the performance of L'Oreal print ads. First, about the brand fixation part. We can see here, 1 inch square increase in brand size can lead to about 22% increase in brand fixation. That means if the L'Oreal puts their brand logo larger in the print ad, people can track back their advertisement. And if they put the advertisement on the right part of the page, it will be 32% higher than ads on the left side of the page. And all other components like the picture fixation, picture size, and the page number is not effective, not very significant. Then it's about the picture fixation part. We can see that picture size is a key point to the picture fixation. We can see 1 inch square increase in picture size can lead to about a 14% increase in the picture fixation. And if people put the ads on the left part of the page, it will be 73 higher than the ads on the right side of the page for the picture fixation. And the last one is about the brand recall accuracy. That's the main point we want to discuss. Because we can see here the brand fixation and the picture fixation all have a positive effect on the brand recall accuracy, but the effective of the brand fixation is much higher than the picture fixation. So that's why we suggest the L'Oreal to enlarge the brand logo first, and then to enlarge the picture size. And then we can see that on the left part, it can increase about 46% in the brand accuracy compared to the right part of the page. So we have made the third conclusion and recommendation for the L'Oreal. First is to enlarge brand logo size in the ad if possible. Second one is to enlarge picture size in the ad if possible. Third one is put the ad on the last page of the magazine. And the fourth is put the main part of the ad on the left part of the page. If the L'Oreal do all these things, there will be at least a 300% increase in brand accuracy in all mentioned in the magazines. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much.